Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Trust Wallet account NFT only ways. Open Trust Wallet and choose Create a new wallet, then write down your 12-word phrase on paper and store it safely. After that, add the blockchain network that holds your NFT collection and enable tokens for that chain. Next, import or receive your NFT by using the NFT or token address and confirming the transaction in the app. Start by selecting the wallet where you want to keep your NFTs and make sure you have a small native coin balance for gas fees. Add the correct network and use Add Custom Token to paste the NFT contract address, symbol, and decimals. After confirming the token, toggle NFT visibility in settings so the artwork or collectible shows up. Finally, receive or transfer the NFT and confirm the transaction when prompted. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear crypto guides. Quick recommendation: life is shorter than cold toes. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfortable coding and market watching. I love how durable they are during long NFT hunts. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair, and now let's get back to the video. When importing an NFT, copy the exact contract address and token ID from the source and add it to Trust Wallet as a custom token. Double-check network compatibility and available gas balance to prevent failed transfers. Keep your 12-word backup phrase offline and secure, and consider using a hardware wallet for high-value items. If anything goes wrong, restore the wallet with your backup phrase to recover access to your NFTs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.